Hi everyone, so I just thought I would come and show you the progress of this journal. I've had lots of lovely comments on the cover, which that is that, and later on I'm actually going to put up the digitals that I've made. Now they're just got hints of red in them, so I'll just show you what I've done so far. So at the moment I'm making pockets. So here we've got vintage book page pockets, and everything's just going to have a little hint of red to it. I've not done everything yet. You've seen that when I was putting the journal together. This is just a pocket that I've made using some digital. That's going to be a freebie. That's just another dictionary page. Added some tabs. That's a fabric pocket. Now some of that's red, some of it's pink, but there's still red there. I've still got a lot to do in this. This is going to take me a while to get this done. Another tab. I think I've done more towards the back of the book than I have the front. I've just got all that paper clipped in because sometimes the Edith Holden papers I find don't stick as well unless you're using Fabri-Tac. That's just my little thing with that. Got a flip here, might add a pocket. Right. Tab here. More stenciling. Little pocket there. I made this as well. It's a little journal card just with the poppy paper, which is from Sunflower Indoors. So yeah, here, this is the middle signature. I've just finished doing this. This was made from a book page like that. It's the half of that, and I put a little bit of red on there. I'll try and do something red. I'm going to try and add a bit of red to every page, even if it's just like a little, like a scrappy piece, like say, I mean that's got a tiny bit of red, but even if I just put that with a bit of red on it. That was half of an envelope. Showed you the envelope yesterday, and it's there, and is it opened? No, I don't think it's opened at the top. But a red rose pocket there. That's a little pocket, double pocket here. Tab, another pocket there, side pocket, another pocket here, little flip there, leaving that as is. England is a Garden, use that book. This was actually from a challenge that I done for Line Dot Arrow. It was a smaller one that I made. Used a bigger book page to make this one, and that's just, it's going to be a floating pocket. I'm not finished decorating that, that's why it's just paper clipped in. I'll do something to cover that, although you know I do want to keep some of the illustrations as well. I might just stencil, I don't know, we'll see. Pocket, another pocket here. It's only like tiny splashes of red, but there's red here with the stenciling. Just, that's what I mean by just adding little bits that have got red. That's a flip. I need to find something. I was actually going through, how cool was that? You know, this is still going, it's going to be very eclectic, this journal, no theme apart from the colour. I was going through Pinterest looking for bits and bobs, another fabric pocket. This was made from a book page, and then I just covered it all over. I need to glue that down a little bit more. That's what I mean, because some of the glossier pages take extra glue. I might just run it through the machine again. But that's a little bit of napkin decoupage, bit of digital paper, that's digital, and then this rose as well. So we'll put that there. And that's that pocket there, which is vintage book page and piece of digital. So that's what I've done so far. And like I say, it's getting heavy already, and I've got tons to do in that. I'm literally just going to throw myself into that. Like, it's lunchtime today, so I'll be all afternoon, all evening. I will stop and eat, and then just crack on, because I'm quite excited doing this journal. So I just thought I'd give you a little update on this journal. Hope you like what I've done so far. If you've got any suggestions, that would be really good. You know, you could fire a video at me in the comment section and say, oh, try that, that might look good in your journal. I'd appreciate that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.